In front of you is grade 3 learners, ready to present you a poem entitled Africa, My Motherland. Yes, Africa, my motherland. Sit back, relax, and enjoy with us. Welcome. It was at that time, long before every man received freedom, that Mwanya Getinge got protected, the fatherless, the widows, and the poor in the community. Africa, Africa, my motherland. Where are you? What is life? First, it was primitivity. Second, it was coronavirus. Third, it was flood. Jesus, in short, make the hay before the sun shines. Pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, we are from the Bar School, presenting a poem entitled Education for Transformation. Enjoy! Hey! From grandees to parents, children from parents, literacy and elation. Poverty the mission to I. Mission impossible. Poverty and illiteracy are man's inheritance. I dream for the masses. To I comes a new dream. With the van, nothing impossible. Things are possible. Yes, I'm a pilot to be, a doctor to be, a musician to be, a teacher of tomorrow. Life is good. Glory to the Lord. Together as one, we shall smile and make this world a presentable land to live. Yes, we shall. We are from the Bar Triangle School. For God and my country. Pleasure.